Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to learn how to write uppercase character M. Put your marker near to the third line. Slide diagonally, go up to the first line, then come down like this on third line. Again come up, slide diagonally on first line, then come again on third line. Make little curve like this. Once again I'm writing here. Bring your marker near to the third line and slide diagonally, come to the first line, then come down on third line again, then move your marker upward on first line, then come down on third line and make curve. Now pick up your marker. Here is uppercase character M. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.